Hello traders, Bank Nifty Future 1 minute chart. Today Monday market July 10, 9:25 am. Buy call generator. In this chart automatically it will generate buy sell calls. You can watch the chart, get the call, place the order in your broker account. Manual trading as well as auto trading both are possible in this chart. For plan details send me a hi message. In this chart today at 9:25 buy call generator. So green color candle open, buy at 45,031, that is our entry point line. First target is a 100-point target, second target is a 200-point target, below red color line is the stop loss line. Daily basis live market, it will generate calls, automatic buy sell calls generated we can say. So today first call, the fresh call is buy call only. So green color candle open, buy at 45,031. Straight white line from green color candle is our entry point line. Above lines are first are at 45,144. And yesterday, that means Friday, sell call generated here and came down. Before market closing, before 10-20 minutes of market closing, sell call generated and closed in a downside direction. Today from opening itself, it's a bullish momentum, market in upper side direction. At 9:25 breakout happened, so buy call generated. Like this today call came at 45.31 and first hour at 45.144. So 110-point target we can say. In 5 minute 80-point momentum, in 8 minute first hour at breakout. Like this today call generated and breakout the target. For chart plan detail, for chart subscription detail, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide you the plan detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.